in from Stockholm, Sweden. This is my first visit to Odessa, and I must say that I'm very pleasantly surprised by this beautiful city, but also very happy about the meeting, which has a high quality with a number of well-recognized faculty members. We've seen many different techniques so far, and myself, I've been doing a reduction augmentation unilaterally for an augmentation patient, and I hope that we will see good results from many of the surgeries, and hopefully we will see more meetings in the future in Odessa, and many people are welcome. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Roland Daniel from Newport Beach, California. And I just wanted to say what a pleasure it's been here, and to thank Gennady for having us come to this most beautiful of cities, to Odessa, and to this wonderful workshop. It's really been extraordinary in that it is a wonderful combination of practical and sophisticated discussions. The surgical techniques that have been illustrated are at the highest level, and we've yet been given a lot of practical advice for how to make our practices better. So I think it's been just a wonderful opportunity, both for the students and for the faculty.
I am Igor Nechayev, a plastic surgeon from Stockholm, Sweden, and I'm second time here in Odessa. I was for 12 years ago and saw Dr. Patlashan then, and now 12 years later I see how huge progress has been done, and I wish the whole country had the progress as plastic surgery in under Dr. Patlashan guidance. The clinic we saw has very good equipment. I'm sad to say it's better equipped than my clinic, more modern, but I opened my clinic in '86. And I'm also happy to come and share whatever I learned, because when I was in the beginning of my career, I was taught by other colleagues, and I think in medicine, as Dr. Daniel mentioned already, Ambrosius Paré said, if you find something new, publish, and there should be no patents. We should share our knowledge. I have heard about surgeons who, when they have visitors, they operate, they hide with the hand. I will not mention the names, but here we are happy to share whatever we learned. And большое спасибо еще раз за приглашение сюда.
Well, I'm Wolfgang Gubisch from Stuttgart, Germany, where I worked in the oldest and largest clinic for plastic surgery for 42 years. When I became head of the clinic in '88, I decided to divide the clinic in subspecialties, because I think you cannot do today a mammoplasty, tomorrow hand surgery, and the day after a nose. Therefore, I founded the department for facial plastic surgery, the only department of facial plastic surgery run by plastic surgeons in the world. And we did last year 700 noses. So we are really focused on noses, and it's my pleasure that I was invited by Dr. Patlashan here for the second time to Odessa. I have been here 10 years back, and I enjoyed it a lot, but a lot of things changed, and also the conditions changed. When I saw today the audience full of very interested colleagues, all ages, the facilities to perform the surgery I did were excellent, so I really enjoyed to do that. And I'm traveling around the world teaching the people because I'm grateful for my career. And I'm quite convinced that even here I could do something for the young colleagues to show them the gold standard, how to do rhinoplasty today. You know, rhinoplasty is the surgery which has the highest failure rate. I guess it's more than 50%. Not all patients will complain, but these are not good results because everybody wants to do a rhinoplasty, but he is not experienced enough. And therefore, I try to do my best to give them more experience, to give them guidelines how to get good results. And I enjoyed my stay a lot.
Александр Кузанов, пластический хирург, Грузия, Тбилиси. Ну, это всегда огромная честь находиться на курсах школы Геннадия Батлажана, потому что эти курсы всегда позволяют обменяться опытом и всегда научиться чему-то новому и полезному. Что самое важное, здесь все время спикеры мирового уровня, которые делятся всеми своими идеями и своей техникой. Здесь живая хирургия, которая позволяет питать вот все это новшество, которое есть в хирургии. Можно вот, смотря и в живом режиме, общаясь с хирургами, научиться всем этим новым методикам и в дальнейшем их использовать в своей практике. Конечно, Одесса – это прекрасный город, который мы все очень-очень любим, и, как всегда, нас здесь всегда очень тепло принимают. Так что большое спасибо организаторам, Геннадию и Татьяне.